Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The most aesthetic ideas about the designs of the flower pots designs and the transform your garden in a different way, in a different styles. The most important thing is that the pots helps to organize plants neatly instead of messy garden. Should get a clean and nice looking space. Some pots designs make it easier to move plants around, useful when seasons change or if the plants need more suns. uh, Certain the pots are designed to make a moisture in, so you don't need to water your plants too much. Good for small places. As you know, our houses and our small garden decoration need a beautiful garden decorations, but if you are living in a small apartments or flats, the pots let you grow flowers and herbs in on a balcony and window sills. Stops overwatering. A good pot has holes the bottom, that is helps the extra water drain out so the roots do not disturb. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube videos and the most attractive ideas. Making gardening fun, colorful and creative pots make a garden more fun and easily, especially for the kids and the beginners. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then you like my YouTube videos, most aesthetic flowers pots designs. And the most important thing is that is the eco-friendly. Using the recycled pots or natural materials helps the environment and reduce the wastage. The protects the indoors pots catch waters and soil, so your flowers stay clean and while you enjoy the insides. So most important thing is that decorate your home, that decorate your garden in a very beautiful way, and your furnitures, and makes your home feel fresher and more alive. Most creative thing is that is a sporter different plants. Some plants like deep pots and other like wide ones. The right design helps you each a plants grow better. Stop the disease. As you know, our decorations and our garden decoration is so important, and most of thing is that you feel very happy, you feel very delight when you spend your time on your relatives and friends and family in a garden. So stop different diseases. Good pots with clean materials and proper drainage help to prevent the drugs and the sickness, helps to grow plants by need. The most important thing is that the group plants that like some sun and water makes the plants care easily. Seasonal decorating ideas like the pebbles designs look so attractive and look so amazing. You can change pots with the seasons, bright ones for the spring, warm colors so fall, and festive one of the holidays. Great of gifts. Beautifully designed pots with the flowers make lovely gifts for your birthday, housewarming, and holidays. Encourage the learning and creativity. Designing and decorating pots is a great creativity for your kids and adults to learn about the art and nature. Builds a connection with the nature. When you choose or decorate your pot, you can feel a closer to your plants. It becomes a part of your life. Improve mood and mental health. Guys, beautiful ideas for my viewers. Take care and bye bye.